News.
Now, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition leaders are piling pressure on President William Ruto to declare the ongoing floods a national disaster amid rising cases of displacement and death across various parts of the country. Speaking during a church service in Kilifi on Sunday, the leaders, led by Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka, further criticized how the Kenya Kwanza administration is governing the country. Grace Nganga reports.
A section of the Azimio la Umoja leaders have defended ODM leader Raila Odinga for questioning President William Ruto on how his government is handling the ongoing flood crisis in the country.
Raila akiongea vizuri vile aliongea jana, wanatoa matamsho na mwambia sasa utaenda kufanya maandamano Addis Ababa. Raila Odinga is Azimio leader kama sisi hapa, and we will stand together as Azimio and provide opposition to this country.
These after leaders allied to the president called out Odinga for criticizing Ruto, who is busy campaigning for his AU chairmanship bid.
Rais William Ruto anaelewa siasa za dunia, ndio anakusaidia uende uwe commission chair wa AU. But if you are to be helped, my brother, Mzee Raila Odinga, please humble yourself, because the position that we are campaigning for you, led by President William Ruto, is a position that calls for humility.
The leaders further criticized the government for what they termed as irresponsible ways of handling of the flood crisis, calling for President William Ruto to declare the current situation as a national disaster.
Declare a national disaster. Kama tunavyozungumza watu 219 wamekufa maji.
Muhimu wa kudeclare national disaster ni kwamba once it is declared, then all hands on deck must be applied to this crisis. Na vile vile, apart from the local initiatives and local stakeholders, our global partners will also come on board.
What happened to mercy? Yani watu kuhurumia wengine ilienda wapi? Mtu tayari amepata mafuriko, ameadhirika. Unamwambia toka mahali ulipo, enda mahali kunaitwa higher ground. Mimi nauliza higher ground ni gani?
They also asked Kenyans to learn from the failures of the Kenya Kwanza government so that they vote wiser in other elections to come.
When we have leaders who are not vessels of honor, and there are leaders who are vessels of dishonor, they bring dishonor to our country.
Unabomolea watu manyumba saa hii. Tuwaombee. Na tuwaombee na roho zenye ukakamavu.
Grace Nganga, KTN News, Nairobi.
Now, authorities have actually moved to dispel fear